My closet is trash. It is a mess. It is horrible. I have way too much stuff and I haven't seen the floor of my closet since we moved in a year ago. The only reason I'm letting you inside to see this horrible mess of a closet is because today we're going to transform it completely. So come on inside. You're going to be appalled. First, there's so much stuff on my floor that just needs to be hung up. A bunch of this stuff is new that I've gotten from my try-on hauls recently that just needs to be put on a hanger and put on the rack. So I'm going to do that first with the stuff I know I'm going to keep. I'll make a pile of the stuff that I think I want to donate, and then we'll try on some fun stuff and you guys can tell me if I should keep this crazy stuff or not. I hate hanging stuff up. It's not my favorite. Okay, let's just do this. This is just a lot. This is a lot of clothing. No one needs this much clothing. Oh my gosh, guys. I got everything off the floor. I mean, by everything, I mean there's still like little nonsense on the floor, but all my clothes are off the floor. I promise I'm not making this up. I didn't remember what color carpet was in here. It's never been vacuumed. That's kind of gross. So that huge box had never been unpacked for the last 2 years, and there was a ton of like maternity clothing in it. Then that big tan duffel bag was full of like stuff that I took to the hospital when I gave birth over 2 years ago. Why haven't I unpacked this stuff? Come on, Sarah, this is ridiculous. So I'm gonna show you what was in there. There's some fun little, these are called soft textured patient cleaners. I never used any of these, but the box is full. These might come in handy for something. If nothing else, a little art project with my girl. Oh good, here's some Tux medicated cooling pads. I never used any of these. They are open though. I guess I thought I was gonna need them, but I actually didn't, thank heavens, but I was prepared in case I did. Oh, here's the little Perry squirt bottle they give you in the hospital, like clean yourself. I never used this either, but I've heard great things about these. There's a random makeup brush in here. My daughter loves to play in here. I found a lot of her little fun trinkets. She loves this gold OPI nail polish. She always grabs it and runs around with it, and then I find it in the most random places as well. What is this huge box underneath my clothes? So many bras. Why do I have so many bras? None of them even fit anymore. Oh, I must have gotten this for Christmas. This is my L'Occitane shower oil. Yeah, baby, that was worth this whole thing, just finding this. Oh, yes. Like, I've got a lot of bras, a lot. And what's up with all these little sticky ones? These don't even work. Here's another full bin of bras. These are more like sports bras, I think, but it's a lot of bras. Then these two drawers are full of underwear. What is this furry thing in the corner? What? What is this? What? This is my daughter's sloth? Why was it under my clothes and why is she wearing a purple headband? My purple headband. Okay, let me see if I can find my way out of here, and we need to start going through all these clothes to get rid of a bunch of them. But my donate pile is like this high, so I'm super excited about that, guys. Yes! Now that everything's off the floor, let's get rid of some of this hanging stuff, and then I'm going to try a bunch of stuff on for you guys so you can tell me if I look ridiculous and should toss it, or if I actually should keep it. Alright. As you can see, this floor got vacuumed for the first time in a year. Alright, the clean out took all day long, but look how much clothing I have to donate. Oh my gosh. It's getting a little claustrophobic and a little hot in the closet, so I brought it all out here, and I want to show you my favorite pieces. I have my husband Grant here too. He's going to participate.
Hey.
He's making a face at me. He'll be here. Just a second. I'm going to put on my first outfit. Okay, he's brushing his teeth. He didn't have much to say about this one. I kind of feel like a hippie, but it's so comfortable and fun. Alright, next. Alright, Grant for sure bought me these pants. They're North Face, and actually I'm gonna keep them. They're really comfortable.
Do you realize I'm back here?
What? Could they see you?
I don't know. I think so.
Could you see him hiding back there?
Yeah, I think so.
What is happening?
I like those. I think they're cool. Are you keeping those?
Hey, Grant.
Is that what you said?
No, I'm keeping these.
Okay. Yeah, I like
It's
those.
like 10 at night. I think Grant wants to go to sleep, but I'm taking up our entire bedroom.
You should see our bed. That's ridiculous.
Oh gosh, I like these. Okay, I feel like I'm going to an office job.
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't know what this huge neck thing is. Let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. It's stuck in my head. We had to sing it to our daughter to get her to go to sleep just now. I know all the words for the entire song.
Do you really?
Yes, I do.
I guess after the 100th time you get it down.
I wore this to my best friend's wedding. It's so pretty. I'm not necessarily donating it. I just don't know what to do with it because I don't feel like I'll ever wear it again. What do you do with wedding clothes you wear to someone else's wedding, like they're maid of honor bridesmaid? Do you want me to sing somewhere and dance?
We can step out. You can
Let it go. This is so sparkly and so heavy. It weighs like 5 pounds.
I like that one.
I feel like I need to go dancing or something. It weighs so much. But the back is weightless. It's like a mesh. It's so confusing. Also, for some reason, I thought I needed this bright neon. Is this orange, pink? What color is this? I did not need this. What am I going to wear this with? You could see me from space. I could direct planes. Grant just wants to go to sleep.
I'm sorry.
Alright, you and Lake can be dismissed.
Alright, it's been fun.
He's over it. He's done. Okay, bye, Grant. Thank you for stopping by. I think I was embarrassing him. This dress is so fun. I don't want to get rid of it, but it's been in my closet for 6 years and it still has the tags on it. So maybe some other woman can enjoy this dress. It's so pretty, but I don't think I'm ever gonna wear it. Wow, this baby is tight. Somehow this is a crocodile camo floral pattern all in one. I don't know how they did it that way. I feel like these two flowers are strategically placed and I don't appreciate it. Also, just in case I needed a little more sparkle, this says it was $108. Oh, it's marked down to $48. Okay. Still paid $48 for this thing. It has the tags on it because obviously I never wore it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Where was I going to wear this thing? This isn't really my style anymore. I kind of like this, though. I wore this to a Florida Georgia Line concert with Grant. Also, can we please appreciate this hat on me? Why? No, this does not look good on me. It's not a good look. I know, it's not really my style. Let's just throw something crazy on top of the shirt, because, I mean, why not? This is, oh, it's Altered State. It looks like Altered State. I don't, it's just like a lot. It's a lot going on with the fringe, the gold, metallic, the huge patterns, the little patterns. It's a lot. I'm gonna put on my granny sweater, BRB. Okay guys, let me show you my granny sweater up close. I mean, it's not an ugly granny sweater. I just know that my grandma would wear this, so that's what I'm calling it. I kind of feel like I should go to an office job in December, like, it's like a Christmas-ish sweater, but it's like for an office job. It's very specific, okay? This is Ann Taylor, and I got it at half of half. I don't know if you guys have that where you are. I kind of feel like I want to wear it with like a wine-colored pencil skirt and some high heels and go into an office and work, but that's not my life right now, so we're just going to donate this and hopefully someone else can wear it there. I feel like I should either be at a disco club or I should be on The Price is Right. Introducing items. That was my official audition tape, Price is Right. Guys, this is, okay, so the tag says Gossip Girl by Romeo and Juliet Couture. So I probably just bought it because it said Gossip Girl in it. Anyone else obsessed? How many times have you watched it all the way through? Probably like 4 or 5. Like a lot. A lot. I feel so flashy. Woo! Alright, so let's let Grant go to sleep and have our bedroom back. I'm gonna go give you a final tour of my organized, beautiful, cleaned out, purged, decluttered, everything amazing closet. Oh my gosh, I can't believe my closet looks this great and this sparse. It's never looked this good probably in my whole life. Okay, come take the official tour with me because I'm going to show you exactly where I put everything. So I want to show you these amazing Target baskets I found. They fit my shoe organizer perfectly, and since I don't have that many shoes to fill up this shoe organizer, I decided to buy a bunch of these. Even though they're only 5 inches deep, they do hold a lot of stuff. This is my large shoe organizer, which I love. It was here when we moved in. It holds such a large amount of shoes that I don't need all of the sections, so I'm really glad I found these awesome baskets to put in these sections. So this helped free up my drawers to fill with the bigger, bulkier items, and then I can place the smaller items in these bins, such as my underwear, my socks, and my pajamas. So first over here on the right at the top, I have all of my tank tops. Next to that, I have my short sleeve shirts and tops. And on the end of this row, I have my cardigans, my blazers, and my workout jackets. Down here on the bottom left, I have my winter coats, my jackets such as jean jackets, my leather jackets. Moving on to the bottom right, I have all of my long sleeve tops such as sweaters and long sleeve shirts. Moving on to the tall storage here, I was able to free up almost all of this side of this top storage. Next up, I have some scarves on this little scarf hanger, but apparently I have less than 10 pairs of jeans now, which I'm so excited about. Well, I never thought I would have this much free space in my closet. Over part of this dresser, I have all of my shorts, including my jean shorts for summer. Next to that, I have all of my skirts, and after that, on the back part of this closet, are all of my dresses. Alright guys, remember when I had over 3 huge drawer boxes full of bras? Well, I whittled them down to fitting in this one little shallow drawer, and I'm super excited about that. This next drawer down, I have my short sleeve and tank top workout tops. Same thing with this next drawer down. I have all of my lounge and workout shorts. Since they're smaller, they were able to fit in a shallow drawer as well. Moving on to my first deep drawer, this one is all of my big bulky tops. So I have t-shirts and sweatshirts in this one. And lastly on the bottom, I have all of my lounge pants and workout pants. This includes my leggings and my sweatpants and all that good stuff. And as you can see, there's not one single thing sitting on the floor. I truly cannot believe we accomplished this. I'm so excited to donate a third of my wardrobe. That just excites me and makes me so happy. Next up, you want to check out my affordable Target clothing haul, including this amazing sweatshirt that I have worn probably 3 days a week ever since I got it. I can't wait to see you there. Just reminding you that you are worthy and you are wonderful. Bye everybody.